Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will write a Python code to categorize a list of words by their first letters as a dictionary of lists. Let's see if we have list of words. So Python, Java, PHP, JavaScript, and now we are going to have a dictionary. Uh, let's see, with letter. So we create the empty dictionary with letter. Now we are going to iterate through a list of words. So we are going to use for word in words. So now for each word, uh, it will extract the first letter of the word. If the letter is not already a key in the with letter dictionary, it will add the letter as a key and sets its corresponding value as a list containing the word. So let's do that. So this would be letter and grab the character, the letter. If letter not in with letter, then with letter and path in letter will be set to that word value. So if the letter is already a key in the dictionary, it appends the word to the existing list value. This one over here will be else. And with letter, we are going to append the word with letter. Going to use the append method and pass in the word. And at the end, our dictionary with letter will contain all the unique first letters as a keys, and the corresponding values will be list of words that starts with each letter. So we will have letter P as a key, and the value will be Python and PHP, and same goes for the uh, J for Java and JavaScript. Let's try to run our code. this colon is in here. Just print the dictionary with letter. So here's the output. We can see P for Python and PHP, J for Java and JavaScript. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.